soft glowing fairy with wings hovering, speaking encouraging words to Zayn and Noor. Noor closes eyes, takes a deep breath. Noor standing tall, confident despite fear, speaking to the shadow. Zayn boldly speaks, standing firm in front of the shadow. Shadow twisting and screaming in frustration as light starts to grow around Zayn and Noor. The smoky shadow starts to break apart into tiny particles of darkness. Mirror shining brightly with golden light, reflecting strong images of Zayn and Noor. Zayn and Noor hold hands, glowing with newfound strength. Mirror transforms into a magical door. The mirror morphs into a glowing portal with runes and magical writing glowing on the door. Only the brave who face truth may enter. Zayn and Noor stand before the door, determined expressions, ready to step in. Door opens slowly with bright light spilling out, illuminating the library. Entering the island of dreams, Zayn and Noor step through the portal into a surreal dreamlike island with floating islands and colorful skies. The dream island, waterfalls flowing upwards, glowing flowers, and whimsical trees. Meeting the dream guide, a mystical creature, half butterfly, half lion, appears to guide them. Dream guide speaking to Zayn and Noor, explaining that every dream hides a secret truth. Zayn and Noor walk into a glowing door within the island, leading to their first dream. Zayn and Noor soar above the clouds with wings, smiling and free. Clouds darken suddenly, threatening storm and fear. Zayn and Noor stand firm, holding hands, ready to face the shadowy nightmare. Light radiates from them, pushing back the darkness. Dream clears and brightens. The dream landscape becomes colorful and vibrant again. The dream guide claps, pleased with their bravery. A glowing pearl appears on a pedestal, shining with magical light. Zayn reaches out to touch the pearl with reverence. Pearl glows intensely, sending beams of light around. A portal opens in the dream island to return them back. Zayn and Noor walk back through the portal, looking stronger and wiser. Zayn and Noor standing in the library, looking at the closed magical door with hope and determination. The final battle and the power of love.